packing your stuff? Oh, you gonna leave it in there and pack it? All right. What a good helper. So we're packing and you're unpacking? It's heavy, baby. Be careful. You don't hurt yourself. So 2 weeks have passed and we're now packing up. We finally found the right home for us. And we are building the rack for the back of the truck so we can get everything taken out. Angel, say hi!
Angel, where's the mommy? Jumping in the bed. Oh, you found the buttons.
You got the keys? With some crackers? He's like, take your keys, I want food.
Can you open it?
He's like, I can squish them. Of course you can't open them. I can barely open those. You building the rack with Daddy?
Here you go.
Ooh, crackers, huh? But that's good. Are they good?
You brought me this. Trying to move the buckets.
That's funny. Angel, are you helping Daddy unload the truck? Yeah?
Oh, they're heavy, huh, Papa? There's some legs.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Where are the legs? I don't know.
I haven't come across the rest of the bench yet, but... Hi, what you doing? the people who watch you all the time. Huh. You coming down?
Go get down?
You hear your doggy? Or you see your doggy?
It's so cute. Just one flew off. They didn't bother with the second one.
Whoa! Bravo! Arf, arf, arf. That's it. We're moved in. This is our new place. These are avocado trees. You leaving us? Actually, I prefer the other way, I think. Because that one.
You guys going over that way?
Yeah. I'm not sure he'll go that way. But these are avocado trees, right? And then lemon trees in the back. A big coop for my husband if he doesn't behave. Front yard, got my laundry line up today. Yay! You're unplugged. Oh yeah, there's the lemon trees. I couldn't see them. Can you get them? Oh yeah, right there. There's my lemon trees. Oh my gosh. Lemon meringue pie, baby. Is he leaving? Okay, Mama's following. Hope you enjoyed watching us pack, leave Panajachel, and come into Santa Lucia. We're excited to be here and excited for our new adventure. Hope you continue watching. Don't forget to like my channel and subscribe, and click that bell to be notified of our next adventures. Bye!